So a URL tel is an example of a URL that's also a telephone number. In this case, it is 305. If I bring it closer to the camera, you may be able to see it better. This is 305 ontrial.biz. That is, domain name is on trial. The area code is 305, and the domain name extension is biz, and that translates. And this is called the vanity phone name because it is a name that assigned to a phone number, which is a vanity phone number. Right underneath it is the area code is 305 666 668 7425, excuse me. So this is an example of a vanity phone name and a vanity phone number. And now I want to describe to you another concept of halo hat. So I'm going to wear this halo hat, which is a fishing hat that can be used for fishing, but also for advertising. So the halo hat, when I wear it, as I'm doing now, illustrates the concept of a halo around my head that matches my face, and on the bottom there is another halo bib. And there is a way to clip it so it is in the sun when you're fishing or you're working in the sun. You won't be, you would shade your face. And sometimes, since I don't see what I'm doing, it's almost easier to take it off and just connect it. You heard the click and click it. Now I'm going to wear it again. Let's try to wear it. And this bib can also be used as a face mask for COVID or whatever other reasons you want. You're working in an area that has dirt in the air, like um, mowing the grass or other things that you are doing in the sun. You may be able to cover your nose and your mouth and breathe and talk through that. Or otherwise, in my case, I want to just put it under my chin for now, not to be bothered with it. So this is an example of a halo fishing hat and bib with video ads. And the video ads include a pair of vanity phone numbers, as you can see over my head, vanity phone name rather, and its matching vanity phone number. So in this case, where my finger is right now, or both fingers, it is one Wiz More Biz. So the domain name is Wiz More, and the .biz is the domain name extension, and that converts to the phone name converts to a phone number based on the American dial pad on a phone, which is 1-949 area code 667 and 3249 for the matching vanity phone number that matches this vanity phone name. And another example is here on my bib, which is 1 the Psycho, which is the vanity phone name, and underneath it is the vanity phone and number. And I can bring the camera closer up so you can read it better, but the idea is exactly the same. So that concludes the concept of the halo vanity phone name and the matching a vanity phone number, producing a halo over the head using the under brim, in this case for a fishing hat, as well as over the bib or the face mask, either way, to advertise another set of vanity phone and name, which is 1 the psycho, where the domain name is the psych, and the .co is the domain name extension, and then it has the matching phone number underneath, where the vanity phone number is 1-843, which is the area code, and so the rest is 779 and 2426. So that concludes the explanation of the halo effect of a fishing head under brim and the bib, and furthermore, it is designed to enable one to produce video hyperlinks. So as I'm speaking now, if I publish it on YouTube or some other video server, I can make the vanity phone name into a hyperlink. So when somebody clicks on it, the user or the surfer will be ported. In this case, the surfer of YouTube will be ported to the website wizmore.biz. And furthermore, on the website, it will have a hyperlink to dial this phone number that can be a phone number for any apps or any other phone services, such as here is the phone service, WhatsApp. So that will be a hyperlink of this phone number. For example, the phone number 1-949-667 and 3249 will be a WhatsApp, a business WhatsApp account, and when you click on it, it will dial on your behalf to the WhatsApp number, and you'll be able to produce a video conference with a representative of the company, of the Wizmore Biz company. And in that specific example, the important thing to understand is also the theme is also represented by the vanity phone name. In this case, it is wizmore.biz. A wiz refers to a wizard like myself, a human wizard, and also, more importantly, an AI wizard, like an AI caller that you can call also. It has a phone number. So when you dial the number 1-949-667 3249, you don't directly contact a person, but instead you contact an AI caller, which means the AI will reply to the call and will converse with you and try to answer your question 24/7, 360 days a week, a year. And then if the AI does not reply, the AI will join to the video conference a human expert like myself that will be able to explain to you further about some areas, such as using wizards to get more business, for example. Okay? So that concludes the session on a sample of Wizmore Biz. And thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later when I will continue. For now, this is the end of the current video, and I will start another one right away that will integrate this with Google Voice and complying with the Google Voice policies of making outbound calls within every 90 days to retain the Google Voice. And otherwise, the Google Voice will expire within 30 days of 2 months if somebody doesn't perform outbound call within the last month. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later when we will continue.